Okay, so this is the piece itself, and it did flow a tiny bit into the crack here. I don't know if you guys can see this. Right up into the top part. So I think you guys might be able to see that. So this is where it actually flowed. Okay, so you can't see a gap in between. However, it didn't flow all the way through, so this is a failure technically. When you have this, and if you don't want to restart, you have two options. Either sand it down, pickle it, sand it down, clean it back up. Or you can retry and see what happens, okay? So, I already cleaned it up. I gotta flux it again, okay, always flux. And I got my solder right here, so we'll cut out a piece and we're going to try this again. I'm going to keep this down here this time. Try to keep it level. Okay. Let's see if you guys can see that. Might a little bit better. Alright. I only need a small bit of solder right now. Alright. We're going to put that right there. Okay. I think you guys can see that. So for this one, same thing. Alright. Remember the cone on here, this sharp point, this point right here is the hottest part of your piece. Okay? Let's take a look at that. A little bit better.